morning, everyone. This is your boy Christian with Morning Trades. Before we start with this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, this is not a financial advice, only for entertainment only. Make sure you do your own diligent research. On this video, I will talk about AMC and GME technicals. Make sure you guys have a strategic plan, where to enter and where to exit. And let's get this video started. Okay, so we're currently open on the market. AMC it's around 1839, 1840 at the moment. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on. Why is AMC going up? So okay, so let's talk about retail investors. Retail investor meaning us, people that invest in the stock market. So people like us, we don't usually put in a lot of money in certain stock. Let's say so retail investors usually don't have many resources, and they tend to be emotional as they have little knowledge on the market, also survive with as little profit as we make. And then we have institutional investors, which are large organizations such as banks, pension funds, labor unions, insurances that make investments in the stock market. Imagine how much institutional investors have to move certain stock by a single purchase. They can spend from millions to billions in a single trade and move certain stock to their direction. Institutionals have many advantages and resources to predict certain stock movement. But let's say we as retail investors are tired of institutional investors controlling the market, since they've been shorting meaning betting for AMC to go down or to go out of business for so long that I think a few months ago we started this big rally after we noticed, or some retail noticed on Reddit, that they were shorting heavy, so they got together and they start buying in, holding in positions, which acted as a short squeeze. And then we as retail investors start making institutional investors lose their money, because we as retail investors start getting together and start hyping the stock up, which ended up going from $1, $2 all the way to 20. This is on AMC, and you can see if we go on GME, we went from $16 or even lower all the way to $400, $500. So the same thing is happening at the moment. We are going on the same process. So right now the world is on AMC. If we go on the 4 hours, meaning each candle is 4 hours, and then 4 hours and 180 days, meaning this whole little black dark spot and gray spot means, 1 day, one whole day. So 180 days and 4 hours chart, if you don't know technicals. And this means a short squeeze. So meaning once we start going like this from high to, from lows to highs, from lows to highs, and then all of a sudden you notice we start, pressing down, start pressing to the side, and then all of a sudden we release. Take for example that you're pressing on a ball that has pure air inside. You're pressing hard. Once you release, it will explode. It will make a big explosion. So AMC is happening. No, it's happening the same with AMC. The thing is that we are beating institutionals because they don't believe on AMC. AMC, it's been going down for so long. They want AMC to fail, but we as retail investors, we don't care anymore. And we tend to hold instead of sell. This is another game on 2021. Short squeeze. So this is a short squeeze. You notice we're going up and down, and all of a sudden, once we break this chart pattern, we just exploded to the upside. Of course, retest. Retested is important because after the retest, we will see for sure if we're going to keep going higher. And as you notice, we broke previous resistance, and you can see on here. And why is this important? Breaking previous resistance means we are touching new highs, because on here you notice we touch 1, 2, 3, 4 times and we broke it. So now we need to break this, let's say 20 barrier or $18-19. So let's say 20. I think after $20 we're going to start exploring even higher if we keep going at this momentum. Remember, the more retail investors get together and buy this stock, there is no way AMC is going back down to $15 or even $16. There's more chances that AMC is going to start, going above $20 just because we have a positive catalyst. Now let me explain what I mean by positive catalyst. Okay, positive catalyst can be as simple as any type of news, any type of hype, any type of, let's say, anything that is positive. And retail investors are taking anything that is positive to hype AMC even higher, to beat institutional investors. So if you're new into the market, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so you notice, so it is normal, for AMC to dip on the short term. So let me go on the 90 days, 30 minutes. So 90 and 30 minutes chart. So candle, every candle means 30 minutes. So same thing on here. You notice there's not much to see on here, other than you seeing the price, but the bigger time frame, it's a bigger you know a bigger way to see kind of the future, to kind of predict the future. But the positive catalyst is, we're most likely all of the US, it's already vaccinated. Movies are coming out. They are letting people in. Most likely in the near future, you know they will allow people not to wear masks anymore on AMC or movie theaters, which is really positive for AMC. Why? Because they will get more people coming in, watching movies, not being scared. Why? Because most people are vaccinated. They will have more. So that's positive. That's positive. That's positive news. Um, there's no way, they are going to start shorting at this time. Uh, institutional investors, just because at this moment, it's really positive, and there's nothing bad. There's no negative news, no negative sentiment into AMC at the moment, other than we're opening, we're ready to start. uh, you know and yeah, in some states they are telling people already to not use masks as long as you're vaccinated. You get me? So it's a huge deal. And what do you think institutional investors are going to do now? Of course, they are going to start putting money into AMC, not to go down, but they are going to start betting for AMC to go up, which means the more money flowing into AMC for AMC to go up, most likely we're going to start, seeing a big runway on AMC. So 17, 18, I think this is nothing. I think we can hit around $30, $40 if we start getting institutional investors, involved into AMC. If they start putting money into AMC, for sure we're going to start seeing a big run. We already had a big run from $10 all the way to 18, which I think this is pretty starting. So AMC, GME, another with the same chart pattern. So GME and AMC, they follow each other. So if you see AMC going up, for sure GME will go up. If GME goes up, same thing will happen with AMC. So as you can see on here, okay, let me make this chart really clear. So on AMC, my prediction is $30. I think we can do even, we can go even higher, but that's my conservative. But if you hit $30, you should be happy. If you don't want to risk more, but if you want to still hold, go for it. There's a lot of retail investors behind your back supporting you, so go for it. So there's another one, we just had a squeeze on GME. So we went from 174 to 232. So if AMC keeps going higher, expect GME to go higher too. So let's see what's the next one. So this is first support around 214, or yeah, or around 200. That will be my first, the strong one. Strong target 200 or 214, 215, and then the next target after this will be around here, which is I think 250 will be a good, yeah, 250. Let's do one, 250, and then one around 300. No, 290. I think 290 will be. Okay, so I think we're going to bounce back. If we bounce back to 16, keep an eye on this 16 to 15, and then expect this to go all the way up to 250. Once we cross 250, expect to continue going higher to around 290s or 280s, around 280s. If we continue, we can go as high as, so from 350, yeah, 350, and then 400. So keep an eye on this one, on these two. Retail investors, stay strong. Let's make this happen. I know as long as we get together, we can build a strong, we can build a strong, we can beat institutional investors, and if we get them on our side, for sure we're going to drive them to the moon. I know I say that only on crypto, but this time I'm saying it on GME and AMC. And that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want more content like this. Make sure you guys leave a comment, and let's go to the moon. Until the next time.